Dear friends, today I will discuss some of the sections from Chapter 23 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. Fine. So let us start with section 141. The title is Determination of Certain Contracts. Fine. Okay. So we shall proceed through our key points and through the subsections. Okay. These are the gist of the subsections from the Bare Act. Fine. Okay. So just I would like to request you to keep the Bare Act with you. Fine. So subsection 1 says any contract for sell, lease, license, etc. to manufacture, use, etc. We can say any contract may at any time after the patent or all the patents made by which the article or process was protected at the time of the making of the contract has or have ceased to be in force and notwithstanding anything in contradiction in the contract or in any other contract be determined by the purchaser, lessee or licensee etc. of the patent on giving 3 months notice in writing to the other party. So friends, just take a look at the underlined words. These are the keywords and you can, by just reading this subsection from here from my video, it will be clear. Okay, that means what is its meaning? It is clear. Okay, so just compare the statements or the subsections given in Bare Act and the explanations given here. Fine. Okay. So let us proceed to subsection 2. The provisions of this section shall be without prejudice to any right of determining a contract exercisable apart from this section. Here also just observe the underlined words. Fine. So next we will proceed to section 142 and the title is fees. Subsection 1 says for patent applications and grants and in respect of other matters in relation to the grant of patents under this act, fees may be paid as prescribed by the central government. Just look at the keywords. Fine. And it will be clear. Patent application and grants. Okay. The fees will be as prescribed by the central government. Fine. Next we will go to subsection 2. Where a fee is payable for an act of the controller, he or she shall not do that until the fee has been paid. Fine. Where a fee is payable for an act of the controller, he or she shall not do that until the fee has been paid. Okay. So here the keywords are a fee is payable, shall not do that until the fee has been paid. Okay. So the fee has to be paid for the required act. Fine. Okay. Next one is subsection 3. Where a fee is payable with respect to filing of a document at the patent office, it should be paid along with the document or in the prescribed time. And the document shall not be considered to be filed if not paid with appropriate fee in assigned time. That means it should be, the document should be filed in time and with appropriate fee. This is desired, we can say. Fine. Next one is subsection 4. The due fees may be paid within a term of 3 months from the date of recording of the patent in the register or within the extended period not later than 9 months from the date of recording when a principal patent is granted later than 2 years from the date of filing the application. So here just observe the prescribed times, that is a term of 3 months, not later than 9 months and here later than 2 years from the date of filing application. So these are the keywords. Just observe these underlined words and it will be clear. So this way friends, section 142 is also completed. So please go through my video, please go through the BERECT as well. Please share my video among your friends, and please click a like to my video if you like it, and please put your queries, compliments, comments in my comment box. Thank you so much friends for listening to me and watching my video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed.